This is a walkthrough tutorial on Emirates online flights booking site. We will show you how to book a flight with a longer stopover in Dubai if you have to switch to a connecting flight anyway. So why not stay in Dubai for a few days on your trip? We will also show you that it is common that your connecting flight is for free, and you get free train to airport, also known as Rail&Fly tickets, when booking with Emirates. We will show you how this works too. So let's start with looking for a flight we want to book. In this case, I gonna book a flight from Frankfurt Germany to Shanghai China. At the top of the page you can see the lowest price for this flight. It is €627. You can reserve this flight for 72 hours, but this is not for free. You can hold this fare for €20 per passenger. Let's select the cheapest price for €304 from Frankfurt to Dubai. The connecting flight from Dubai to Shanghai is for free in this case. There is no extra charge. And we select the cheapest return flight from Shanghai to Frankfurt for €321. This is a review of your itinerary. Let's double check it if everything got selected correctly. If everything is fine, then proceed to the next page. Now put in your passenger's details like first and last name, home country, phone number, frequent flyer number and email address. If everything is fine, then proceed to the next page. You can pay by credit card, real-time bank transfer, PayPal for €10 extra fee, or bank transfer that can take up to 6 days till your flight ticket is getting confirmed. In this case, I gonna choose bank transfer. On this page we are getting an overview of the selected flights and our data we put in. Do a quick check if everything is correct. And proceed to next and final page to finalize your order. After completing ordering process successfully, you will get a confirmation mail. Copy the booking reference number from this mail, or click on the link inside your email to select a seat on your flights. Now we are back on Emirates website. Let us select a seat for a flight. We previously booked 4 flights, if you count the connecting flights. Here we choose the flight from Shanghai to Dubai. Like you can see, there is a seat pre-selected already. Let us switch this and select a different one. When we are done, you can proceed to the next passenger. Emirates is offering free Rail&Fly tickets. For this you have to go to Emirates landing page and put in your last name and booking reference number. Now scroll down to the train part. Click on Book. Now put in your home train station and the airport train station or the closest train station of your airport. Fill in your contact details. The train ticket will be registered under this name. Check the checkbox and proceed. Finally, you can print out your train ticket including return ticket from the airport. If your browser has turned on a pop-up block like here, the PDF will be blocked. In this case you have to open your PDF manually. That's it. Turn on your printer and print out your free train ticket. We hope you like this tutorial video. Feel free to subscribe to see more videos like this. Thanks guys.